The Surf's Edge sits directly on the sand on one of the best park shore sites. It was built in 1972 by the Lutgert Companies. The 112 units at Surf's Edge range from about 1,250 to 3,000 square feet. Each of the units has a carport. The Surf's Edge and the Gulfside are sister buildings, both built by the Lutgert Companies at about the same time. There are a few, but not many, differences between the buildings. The Surf's Edge owners enjoy an outdoor kitchen area, a media center, a community room, a sauna, a pool and spa, kayak and paddleboard storage, a vehicle wash area, and a fitness room. Surf's Edge now has a common laundry facility on each floor, and owners can also have laundry facilities in their unit. The entire Surf's Edge building was fitted with hurricane impact glass. Owners at the Surf's Edge can buy or lease boat slips at the Venetian Bay Yacht Club and are only a few hundred yards away from the world-class Venetian Village restaurants and shopping. No pets are allowed at Surf's Edge, and one lease per year with a 90-day minimum is permitted. The Surf's Edge has been a very strong park shore beachfront condominium since 1972, and its outlook is very bright. Call or email me to discuss buildings like the Surf's Edge.